that thing some cereal, boy.
She say boss up, so I dropped the top on that bitch.
Alright guys, so welcome YouTube and YouTube subscribers. It's Goofy here, back with another video for you guys today. We have a pretty dope unboxing for you guys. So before we get on into it, hopefully everybody's being safe out there. Let's go ahead and get on into the video.
I ain't giving shit, I be in the trap spot.
Alright, and we are back. So one thing I will highly recommend for you guys, and I don't know if there's an age limit to this, but invest in stocks right now. Just letting you guys know this is the perfect time to invest in stocks. So if you don't know how to, look up the basic stuff on it. You can try to make money with it if you want, but I'm simply saying invest in it for long term. Let's go ahead and crack this thing open. I wasn't able to get this when it originally came out, and it randomly came out again. They restocked and I was able to get some. So here we go. And it's crazy because this thing sold for like $20,000, or I think more actually, when it originally was announced. Okay. I didn't even get a Supreme bag. They normally give me a Supreme bag with this, but they didn't. They get some stickers, of course. Plain stickers, all 3 plain stickers. Alright. And then we got a pack of the Supreme Oreos. There it is. Got a pack of those. Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, 5. Whoa, 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 whoa. That one's broken. 6, 7, and 8. So, is that it? Nothing else? That's it. So we got a total of 8 packs of the cookies here. It's crazy that Supreme is this hype now, and this big of a brand that it's with Oreo. You know, they did a collab with Oreo, which is pretty awesome because it's putting people onto Supreme that don't know about Supreme, I feel like. And even with this collab right here, I feel like people still don't really know too much about Supreme, but whatever, it's still cool for the, you know, the Supreme fans and the hype beasts out there, just to see these different collabs with the different brands that are recognizing them. So really dope. This is tight. I am gonna open one so you guys can see. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna open this in the Supreme way. I'm not even gonna open this how you would normally open this. All right, I'm gonna do it like this, like a bag of like a bag of chips. Pull that thing apart. Yeah. All right, let's see if we can do this. Hey, we're doing good. We're doing good. Okay. Let's make it perfect. Look at that. Oh, this one's broken. Oh, wait, maybe not. Let's take it out of here. And there it is. So one of them is deformed, but it's okay. Oh, that one's broken. Let's get a good one. Let's get a good one. This one. Okay, here we go. It's got some residue on it. All right, so one side does say Oreo. The other side does say Supreme. All right, that's pretty dope. Sorry if you can't see that or got it wrong, but that's pretty fucking dope. So that's it. That's all I have. Just wanted to show you guys that Supreme Oreos. I am going to eat these. Something different. That's it. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Like this video if you liked it. Invite your friends and family. Also check out my Facebook group. All shoes for sale. If you join the group and you send me a comment or write a comment or send me a message on there, you know, stating, hey, I found this through YouTube, I got a surprise for you. All right, those are where all my giveaways are, so check out the group. All right, Scoofy here, and I'm out.
You know that hoe is nasty.